Macular degeneration is an eye disease that affects millions of people worldwide. It can be both age-related and hereditary, but in either case, it results in vision loss due to damage of the macula, a part of the retina responsible for our central vision. Symptoms include dark or blurry spots at the center of the field of vision, difficult reading or driving, and colors that appear faded. Eye care professionals such as optometrists and ophthalmologists use an Amsler grid chart to monitor macular degeneration. This chart comprises a 10 by 10 grid with horizontal and vertical lines and a dot in the center. The patient is asked to look at the chart with one eye while the other remains closed, and tell them if any lines appear wavy or distorted or if any boxes are missing. If there are discrepancies, it could be a sign that the patient has macular degeneration. The Amsler grid chart was developed by Mark Amsler in 1947 and has since become a standard tool for evaluating vision. The Amsler grid chart is a valuable tool for any healthcare practitioner or patient who wants to test and monitor macular degeneration. Specifically, this template is suitable for the following: ophthalmologists, optometrists, opticians, general practitioners, and nurses. To use our free Amsler grid chart, follow these steps. Download our Amsler grid chart from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Print the chart. Print out the chart and make sure it is correctly aligned when you print. This ensures the accuracy of your results. Explain to your patient how the chart works and answer any questions they may have. Next, test the patient's vision. The Amsler grid chart is a reliable way to test and monitor macular degeneration in a clinical setting and for patient self-administration. To use the chart, follow the steps provided in the template for in-clinic or self-evaluation. Next, interpret the results. Analyze the results to determine if there is any distortion in your patient's vision. If the results are normal, no further action is needed. However, if there is a distortion or other abnormalities present, this could be a sign of macular degeneration. Here is a sample of our Amsler grid chart, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our Amsler grid chart, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.